Hi, it's Doug talking about Permits Where to Purchase feature within the Fire Department online software. Let's first look at how the public can see the list of locations where they can purchase either a burn or fireworks permit. They can select local information from the navigation bar and then click on Burn Permit Info. Another way to arrive at the same page is to click on Permits from the navigation bar. Either way, they will land on the permits home page. This fire department supports burn permits as well as the ability to purchase the burn permit online. They also support the ability to fill out a fireworks permit form online. They are also using the optional burn permit call-in system since the My Burn Permit card is available. They also allow their residents to text the start or end of a burn as noted on the Register Burn by Phone card. Click on the Locations button on the Where to Purchase card. A list of locations where a resident can purchase a burn permit is shown. Note, at the top of the listing is the option to fill out the burn permit or the fireworks permit online. We will now start turning various options off, one option at a time. This way, based on the options that your fire department will use, you will see what your residents would see. The option for fireworks permits is now turned off. We have now turned off the option for texting the start or end of a burn. The option for purchasing burn permits online is now turned off. We have now turned off the optional burn permit call-in feature. Please note that the phone number for calling the start or end of your burn is still showing because this fire department is using another software package to control the registration of burns. The phone number for registering the start or end of a burn has now been removed. Lastly, we will remove the option of filling out a burn permit form online. Since the options to fill out a burn permit or fireworks permit online has been turned off, the system only displays where your residents can purchase burn permits now. After signing into your website, you will be presented with the firefighter's home page. Your home page will look a little different than what is being shown to you here, as your website will be customized for your fire department. Also, your fire department may not have implemented all options available within the fire department online software. From the menu bar on any screen, in our case the firefighter's home page, click on Administration. Next, click on the Burn Permits button. Lastly, click the Where to Purchase button. We see the 3 locations where residents can purchase a burn permit. Since all 3 locations have a sort order of 100, the default sort order if you don't supply one when adding a new location, these 3 locations will be ordered by the location name as shown now. Let's change the sort order so that the municipal building is listed first. We will change the sort order of the municipal building from 100 to 10. Now we will click on the Update button. We receive a confirmation message informing us that the update was successful. The system sorts the entries by ascending sort order and then by the location name, so we now see the municipal building at the top of the list. We are now looking at what our residents would see before we updated the municipal building. I will refresh the screen, and now the municipal building is also at the top of the list. For the record, we could have picked any sort order number which was less than 100 for this to work since all locations were set at 100. Let's add a new burn permit Where to Purchase location. First, fill out the location name, in our case, Doug's Garage. Next, decide if we want to change the default sort order, which is fine since we want this new location to be in alphabetical order with the other locations with the exception of the municipal building. Fill in the address of this new location, click on the Add button, and we receive a confirmation that we have successfully added the new location. As we can see, Doug's Garage is placed after Corner Gas in the listing right where it should be placed since we left the sort order at 100. We are now looking at what your residents would see before the addition of Doug's Garage. Let me refresh the page, and we can see that Doug's Garage is now listed as the location to purchase a burn permit. Doug's Garage wasn't working for selling permits, so let's delete Doug's Garage. Click on the delete button under Doug's Garage. We get a confirmation message stating that the deletion was successful. As we can see, Doug's Garage is no longer in the list. We are currently looking at what your residents would see before the deletion of Doug's Garage. I will now refresh the page, and we can no longer see Doug's Garage in the listings. That concludes the video on permits, where to purchase feature from Fire Department Online. Thanks for watching.